I believe that everybody has the ability to become an extraordinary leader, to achieve extraordinary results. If we listen, we observe to every lesson that comes our way and we digest it. You don't have to go to Harvard to be a good leader. I didn't go to college or university. Much to my family's disappointment, I left home at 16 and I became a tea-boy on a trawler. Well, since leaving the fishing industry, I stumbled into sales in my early 20s and I went on to grow and successfully sell 2 technology companies of my own. What I'd like us to do is I'd like to focus on the right-hand side, your unconventional learning, your life experiences. These can potentially be setbacks, successes, sadness, dare I say it, even trauma. And many of the most noteworthy lessons that we all experience come from the unconventional and sometimes uncomfortable experiences that come our way. I was walking along the seafront and I said to my wife, I wonder if I can swim to France. I said, look, I'm a team person. I wasn't going to do it on my own. She said, you'll never find anyone silly enough to go with you. 3 weeks later, we'd assembled a team of 4. The first hour of my swim was probably one of the worst hours of my life, getting stung quite badly by jellyfish. When was the last time you pushed yourself so far out of your comfort zone? Because that's where the true growth comes from. In business and in life, we sometimes find ourselves out of our depth, physically, spiritually, metaphorically. Don't stop. That day, bearing in mind I was the weakest swimmer I felt, we built something that I've not experienced before. We put together a team that became stronger than the sum of its parts. And the other thing that we don't do enough in business, I don't think, is we celebrated success. And do you think that you celebrate success enough? And if you celebrated success more, do you think it would make an impact to your team? 3 years of planning, 10 million meters on the rowing machine. We ended up on the small island of La Gomera in preparation for our Atlantic row.
Nothing prepared you for the Atlantic. Oh my word, nothing prepared you for the Atlantic. It just beats you. It beats you and beats you and beats you.
We're getting close to nearly a month at sea. I've got this horrible itchy beard. My hands are falling apart. Rowing at night on your own is torture. You start becoming anxious if 5 minutes out from the shift change, you don't see the light on the cabin come on. 1 minute late makes you angry. You want to shout, you want to argue, but you've got to be kind. Always be kind to people that are in your team. You have no idea what they're going through. It might be something inside of work, might be something outside of work, but always, always be kind.